How to generate logo designs with Leonardo AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply go to Leonardo AI app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download it from Play Store. Simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys will see home, generate, library mode. Simply click on generate. Once we click on generate, here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys will see setting option, also the two things, like in my phone 3D render, left like vision. In your phone it can be any other text. So first thing first, you will simply click on that first one. Now here you guys will scroll. Once you scroll, you guys will see graphic design. So simply click on graphic design, and once we select graphic design, after that you will simply write your logo idea etc. But it will be better if you give your idea to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that you want to generate your logo image using Leonardo AI. So please write the best prompt for me. After that, ChatGPT will write best prompts for you. So simply copy one of that prompt and paste here, and you after that you guys can generate your best logo images using Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching.